हेलो बच्चों, हम पढ़ रहे हैं केमिकल बॉन्डिंग. नाउ न्यू टॉपिक दैट इज पोलैरिटी ऑफ बॉन्ड. We know so many molecules. Some are having ionic bond, some are having covalent bond. But molecules are not perfectly 100% covalent or 100% ionic. If there is covalent bond in a molecule, it has some ionic character. And if a molecule is ionic, then it has some covalent character in it. So how do we know right now in covalent molecule how much ionic character is there? That is measured by one term that is called dipole moment. First, what is polarity of bond? Suppose two similar atoms join in a molecule. Suppose we have, oxygen molecule, O2. Both atoms are similar. Shared electron pair will lie exactly in between the two atoms. Electron cloud will be distributed evenly like this. Neither this oxygen nor this oxygen pull the shared electron pair towards itself. Such molecules are called non-polar molecule, and the bond form is called non-polar bond. Suppose we have hydrogen molecule, then between two H atom the bond is non-polar because electron cloud is in between the two hydrogen atoms. Neither this cloud shift more towards one hydrogen nor it shift more towards another hydrogen. Such bond is called non-polar bond. Molecules are called non-polar. But if we take an example of HCl, then Cl is more electronegative. So bonding electron shifts more towards chlorine. So this chlorine will get partial negative charge and hydrogen will get partial positive charge. वो इलेक्ट्रॉन अपनी तरफ पुल करता है. क्यों करता है? क्योंकि ये ज्यादा इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव है. It is more electronegative, and electronegativity is the tendency of an atom to attract the bonding electron pair towards itself. So if chlorine attract electron pair, shared electron pair towards itself, then it get partial negative charge. Bond break नहीं हो रहा है, just electron pair shift more towards chlorine. The electron cloud will be like this. This is Cl, this is H. The electron cloud shift more towards chlorine. The cloud will be formed. This. Here the cloud is less, here the cloud is more. This get partial negative charge, this get partial positive. What about hydrogen? Electron cloud evenly distributed like this. Such type of bond is called polar covalent bond. Now polarization kitna hoga? How much polarity is there in the bond? That is measured by one term, and that is known as dipole moment. What is it called? Dipole moment. So we'll discuss what is dipole moment. Very important term. Every now and then teacher will tell you, this is because of the dipole moment. This bond is more polar because dipole moment is this much. So understand well what is dipole moment. Dipole moment is a physical quantity denoted by mu. It is used to measure polarity of bond. It is used to measure polarity of bond. कोई भी कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड कितना पोलर है, उसमें कितनी पोलैरिटी है, that is measured by dipole moment. It is a vector quantity. डायरेक्शन पे डिपेंड करता है. फिजिकल क्वांटिटी है, वेक्टर प्रॉपर्टी है, it is vector quantity. How can we define this? Mu is the product of charge and charge multiplied by distance. Distance between two atoms. Charge is measured in coulomb and distance is measured in meter or centimeter. So coulomb into centimeter, coulomb into meter is the unit for dipole moment. Coulomb is SI unit, meter is also SI unit. So coulomb into meter, C capital into meter is the SI unit for dipole moment. So what is dipole moment? It is the product of charge acquired by the atom when it pulls the electrons and distance between the two atoms that are forming covalent bond. Distance measured in meter. This is in coulomb. So coulomb into meter is a SI unit for dipole moment. One common unit used for dipole moment is d by e. Many places you will see the unit is d by. What is this d by or 1 d by? 1 d by is 3.33 into 10 to the power minus 30 coulomb into meter. बहुत कम होता है ना, डायपोल मोमेंट इज वेरी लेस. इतने छोटे छोटे टर्म्स कब तक लिख पाएंगे? सो d by unit is used, somewhat big, that's why. So 1 d by is 3.33 into 10 to the power minus 30. D means what? D by. D by. So dipole moment is measured in d by unit. If dipole moment of overall molecule is 0, we can say the molecule is non-polar. And if the overall dipole moment is not 0, we can say that the molecule is polar. So whether the molecule is polar or non-polar, that is measured by dipole moment of a molecule. If dipole moment is 0, net dipole moment of all the bond is 0, we can say that it is non-polar. If dipole moment is there, what will be the value? Whatever be the value, we can say that it is polar. As it is vector quantity, how it is mentioned? See, suppose we take an example of HCl. Okay, this is partial negative, this is partial positive. There is polarity in the bond. How the dipole moment is measured for this bond? It is measured towards the chlorine. It is denoted like this by arrow and head and tail like this. So arrow is towards more electronegative atom, head is toward less electronegative atom. This is called head, and head is towards more electronegative atom. Towards more electronegative atom. While this is called tail, and it is towards less electronegative. So every bond has dipole moment, and that is mentioned from lower electronegativity to higher electronegativity. Clear? Suppose we want to write for CO2, carbon dioxide. How the dipole moment is mentioned? See, this bond is polar. Its dipole moment is measured towards oxygen like this. Second bond is also polar, partial negative and partial positive. So here the dipole moment is measured towards oxygen like this. So always dipole moment is pointed from less electronegative atom to more electronegative atom. So every bond has a dipole moment, and by adding or subtracting the dipole moments of all the bond, we can find the net dipole moment, and net dipole moment will tell you whether the molecule is polar or non-polar. See, some example we can explain. Suppose we have BeCl2, beryllium chloride. We have to find out whether it is polar or non-polar. At first sight, we can tell it is polar because there is difference in electronegativity of beryllium and chlorine. Obviously, chlorine more electronegative, beryllium less. तो एक बार को ऐसा लगता है कि molecule is polar, but actually the molecule is non-polar. What's the reason? Beryllium chloride has linear shape. This way. Shape भी important role play करता है because it is directional quantity, vector quantity, dipole moment. So as it is linear, chlorine more electronegative, so it has partial negative, beryllium has partial positive charge. Similarly, this bond is also polar. Chlorine is partial negative and beryllium is partial positive. Where the dipole moment is measured for this particular bond? Towards chlorine. This is also towards chlorine. Now the dipole moment of suppose this bond is suppose 1.2 D. Same bond है ना? इसका dipole moment कितना होगा? Minus 1.2 D. Because it is in opposite sign, that's why. Bond is same between Be and Cl. Here also between Be and Cl only, but direction is different. As dipole moment is directional quantity, if this is positive, then this would be negative. What is net dipole moment? Net dipole moment of complete molecule will be 0. As mu is 0, the molecule will be non-polar. तो फर्स्ट साइड तो अपन को लगा था ये तो पोलर है, क्योंकि इसमें तो पोलर दो पोलर बॉन्ड है, फिर भी मॉलिक्यूल कैसा है? नॉन पोलर. फाइनल अथॉरिटी कौन है whether the molecule is polar or non-polar? Dipole moment. If dipole moment is there, molecule is polar. If dipole moment is not there, then the molecule is non-polar. We can find second example, H2. We know it has two lone pair of electron and two bond pair. This is the shape of water molecule. These are two lone pairs. Okay. Which is more electronegative? Obvious, oxygen. It get partial negative, hydrogen get partial positive charge. This get partial negative, hydrogen get partial positive charge. Now, dipole moment of this OH bond will move upward because oxygen is more electronegative. Dipole moment of this bond also towards oxygen because it is more electronegative. Dipole moments of lone pair is also there. And lone pairs dipole moment is move away from the atom. So, upar jaise dipole. Anu bhi. Now, all the dipole moments move in one direction only. આ side, આ બધા ઉપર. Cancel नहीं થાય એક બી આને જેમ. આમાં cancel થઈ ગયા હતા, આમાં cancel નહીં થાય. So, net dipole moment will be there. Mu net will not be 0. So, molecule is polar. So, ऐसा नहीं है कि if molecule has a polar bond, then it is polar. No. If molecule has net dipole moment, then it is polar. If molecule is not having any dipole moment, then the molecule is non-polar. So, BeCl2 is non-polar and H2O is polar. In next video, we'll do more examples for dipole moment. Okay, bye.